Oh yeah, I can see myself. That's absolutely mental.
Is it good?
Oh wow. Pick it up and move it around. Oh no way.
I take the brakes off.
Jump, jump. I mean, my mornings don't look like that every morning, but today is a good day. And also, shout outs to Squarespace for working with me on today's video.
Whatever takes us, so yeah, ooh, yeah. To get high. I chase it down.
Okay, consumer grade drones. One problem. And that problem is that they can only simply fly like this. Forward, back, left and right, and they can also turn around like that. Now, that was cool 4 or 5 years ago when these things came out, but like back when I bought this and the special controller to go along with it, it set me back about £2,000, and I never ever touch it.
I don't give it up for free.
I absolutely love walking you Atlas, mate, but it is so cold out. Okay, so before I get today's vlog started, I have to pay the bills. I've got some work to go and do. I need to go and see a client for a client install. But not to worry, because I'll get all that out of the way this morning, and then hopefully this afternoon / this evening, and maybe a little bit tomorrow, we can focus on the FPV stuff. But before all of that, let's talk drones and what I'm specifically talking about. And yes, I just did the name drop, FPV drones. These are a type of drone where to fly them, you essentially wear a set of goggles that has a live transmission feed down from the drone into these goggles, so you essentially look like a little bit of a robot. And with these drones, you can sort of play with gravity. Like, you can go up and then completely turn off all your G's and just fall down and get some insane perspectives falling down. I don't think you understand how excited I am for this as the inner nerd inside of me. Heck, the inner drone nerd inside of me. Because I've been playing with drones now professionally for the last, I want to say, 5 to 6 years of my life, and they have genuinely gotten stale for me. So I think this is the remedy for that. Okay, can you guys see this like huge? Okay, so one of my 2020 game plans, something that I really want to execute in 2020 is I need to go to this church and I need to say to them, look, can I use your roof space to put my radios? Because if I've got my radios high up on a building, the further they can see, therefore the more clients I can get. The best form of advertising as well is word of mouth, so the more clients I get, the more clients I get, which is absolutely brilliant. Cool, gates are opening. Now, obviously, client confidentiality. I can't video or vlog in this house because it's my client's house. So I'm gonna get my job done, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Sweet thing, guys, client install all over. It went absolutely fine. Thank you for asking. The sun is unfortunately setting here in England, however, that does not mean this video is over by any stretch of imagination. In fact, it's only just getting started. I need to head to the office so we can hopefully, if it's been delivered, pick up all of this drone stuff. This entire vlog is essentially based upon the fact of whether I've had the deliveries that I need. Hang on. This is for me. Funnily enough, my office is on the 3rd floor, not on the 2nd. What I need isn't in this box, it's in those boxes. Now, what is in this box, or what hopefully I think is in this box, is what I've been hyping on about this entire video thus far. I don't think I've been this excited about the future of like videoing and drone work especially up until now. Oh my. Okay, I think the best way for me to actually explain to you what this is and how important this is, I'm best off showing you me ordering this yesterday. Okay, Elliot, do you want to explain?
It's a racing drone, but it's not like the racing drone you're going to order because this is an analog racing drone. You build them as kits and you put your own makeshift things on it as a GoPro 8.
And there's a probability that if you build this and you do it wrong, you can literally fry it all.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Is this the most expensive portion of this?
No, the goggles are probably the most expensive.
The goggles are the most expensive. So the goggles are what you need to get the live feed from this thing down to your head, so you can be like in a virtual world controlling this thing, and that's what makes this thing so extraordinary, other than the fact that you can just get amazing shots. Essentially, the shots are amazing. We'll play some. Do we do this? Do we do this? Do we do this? Let's do it. Let's do it. It'll be fun. That is so cool. So this, what you just saw right then, this is actually Elliot flying with his old school analog setup here. That is sick. Okay, so essentially, this is all of the stuff that Elliot and I ordered. This has cost me unbelievable amounts of money for what this is, like 4 digits, just for some drone stuff. However, I think it's gonna make these videos a hell of a lot better, and hopefully I can pull off some amazing shots for my clients in the future. So hopefully I can earn money back with this. And also, check this out. I got some free sweets in the box. These are the goggles that you'll actually wear across your face as you're flying. This is why this is totally different to conventional drone flying, because you look and fly through the goggles. That is the only way you can do this. And then here's the drone. Yeah, look, it's tiny. This thing's meant to be really light. The problem with all this is you can't just buy it and set it up easily. It does take a little bit of knowledge and a little bit of skill to get going. So I'm buzzed this is all here. I'm gonna let Elliot know, and hopefully we can go home and get it all configured. Oh, and also, by the time you guys are watching this, the Pixel 4 giveaway will have ended over on my Twitter. If you didn't win, fear not. Down here, I think there's some like Sonos units and stuff, and some more just Christmas giveaways for you guys. So make sure you're going and follow me on my social medias and hitting the like button, commenting, and letting me know how you are, because I appreciate it.
Someone's at the front door.
So this is Elliot's first time trying out this new digital stuff. What are you thinking, Al?
Yeah, well, it's going to be exciting actually. I'm looking forward to seeing how much better it is for the price.
Okay, so guys, this does look absolutely mental. I'm buzzed for this. So this right here is the headset that's going to go on my head. So with this strap here, essentially this goes like this, and I'll be able to see live from a first-person view where the drone is flying. Then I'll fly it with this boss-ass controller, and for the drone itself, well, that is just this tiny skeleton thing with that tiny little camera on the front. So the thing is with this, you actually put a GoPro on here. Is it working?
Proper widescreen, that, isn't it?
What, compared to yours?
Yeah, absolutely.
L, what's the software? Beta Flight, DJI Assistant. Oh, no way! Sorry, my bad.
That is spinning to the right because it's hitting my nail and not my finger. Lift this to like
Slightly.
the tiniest bit, and I'll see which one. Okay, so that's hitting the fat bit of my finger.
Yeah.
Which is right.
Okay, right, okay. Okay, so essentially after a long night of Elliot and I sat in my office for about 3.5 hours trying to configure...
Unplug them in again.
These drones, we finally got them to work. Okay, do we take off from this point here? Okay, I can see how you're gonna get lost now. Right, okay, I've clicked the record button on the goggles.
You're the player, aren't you?
Well, it's weird, Elliot. This is, okay, I'm still really getting used to these controls. Like, it's super odd. Okay, I need to get used to the fact that you can just spin it round like that. Okay, so we're down there. Oh my God, Elliot, this is absolutely mental. Oh my God, I'm coming over the top of us. Ah!
Be careful with the trees, mate. So come down to land, and then just flick that switch. Flick that switch. There we go.
Is that an okay landing
That
for
was
the first
good,
one?
man.
That'll do it. Look at
Woohoo!
that. She survived.
Mate, you're a pro. That was really good. I'm really
dirty,
impressed.
though. Oh, thank you, mate. Sick. I enjoyed that, Elliot.
It's good, wasn't it?
Thank you for my first...
Very interesting.
Thank you for taking my FPV virginity. I appreciate it, mate. The only annoying thing about this entire sort of system is that you don't get much battery life compared to normal DJI drones, which is what I'm used to flying, which is really, really annoying. But for the fun factor, this definitely wins. So guys, I have just gotten back from the gym. Elliot and I have been out today flying and flying and flying, and as a result of that, all of my batteries are now dead. My drone is thick full of mud because obviously, yes, I've crashed it. It's an FPV drone. But this is super, super cool. The only annoying thing is I'm just not very good at this yet, so... And obviously I'll keep you guys updated in 2020, hopefully when I get a little bit better at flying and I can show you guys some cool stuff. Okay then Atlas, you ready? First one up the stairs wins. Go! Go, 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 go! Go, 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 go! We now have one very excited dog on our hands, don't we, Atlas? What are you doing, bro? What's going on? Are you alright? Okay, I actually have no idea where to really begin here. And actually, Atlas, I feel like there's some presents in here, in the midst of all of this, for you, bro. Yeah, I'm talking to you, mate. There's some presents for you. As long as I can find my knife. Yo! Good boy! Okay, you can have it for now, but we'll play with it when we get home. Atlas, bro, are you happy with all your toys, my friend? Hope you are. But for now, guys, I want to say a huge shout out to Squarespace for helping make today's vlog possible. Like I always say, guys, it's brilliant when a company that I've just used myself for years reaches out to sponsor me. Thank you. Of course. I've personally used Squarespace for absolutely ages to make all of my websites, like mars.media. Visit that one, that's one of my Squarespace websites. Essentially, they're a tool online that enable anybody really with very little knowledge to create a website, and they handle absolutely everything from the website creation, and they've got thousands of templates for you to choose from, so you simply choose one and upload all your own images and put all your own text on there. If you guys want to get 10% off your first Squarespace purchase, please use all of my codes on the screen right now, and it'll all be in the description for you lot, and if you do, I would really appreciate it because it would mean Squarespace will keep working with me. Okay, right, it's time to head home, Atlas. Are you ready to go, my friend? What are you chewing down there? I have to let you guys know if this 1080p 4K thing is actually 4K. But with that being said, guys, I hope you're all well, and if you're not, feel free to tweet me or hit me up on Instagram. I'm always chatting to you guys, like literally all the time. But with that being said, my name's been Alex, and this has been Atlas, and we will see you in the next video. Adios.